Hey guys, and in this one I'm not gonna be like showing my face like all the time, but my stomach's feeling a bit better right now. I just stole from the villagers. My shovel broke while doing this thing, but he can. Dang. Okay, so I was just like crafting another shovel, even though I have more. But today we're gonna be trying to steal from the villagers and try to get a golden sword. And we may go in caves actually to get some gold or whatever. So I'm so excited. I've never done this before, but we're gonna get a golden sword because today we're doing this challenge. We cannot go in creative, and I cannot go in creative. So, yeah. Okay, there you go. So we got a lot of dirt, and this is where. So guys, my house is like way from over here. I could just make a new house if this one is. I can't find my other one. Well, I always live near the villager so I can find my house easier, but this is why I never made my house yet, because there's a possibility I may live with the villagers. So I may actually live with the villagers, but anyways, they haven't even stored anything? What? This sucks. Okay. This sucks. They haven't even stored one thing today. So they have a furnace, so I'll just take one of those. Come on, hurry. Oh yeah, what was I doing? I was crafting a stick. Oops. I just need a stick. Okay, that's all. Okay, that's all. I just need one stick, and we get an apple, we need gold. Well, I have one apple. And stick. Sword. I also need to craft one of these. Wait. It's saying here of what I can craft. Ooh, yay! I can craft some stairs. Yahoo! Yay! I just wasted all my wood. Get some more wood. I just have to use all my wood. Do we have any more sticks? That's good. We have more sticks. Yes. Oh my gosh, guys! Look at all of that wood. Dang, that is a lot of wood. Oh, that's already 64. Okay. So in home, this goes in weapons, and then home. Hallelujah! We can get 4 stairs. I need like a lot of stairs because, well, I'm gonna have like a big house. So, okay, now first of all, we need 1 door. Why am I getting 3 doors? Okay, it's okay. Just in case. Okay. We also can get swords. Oh yeah, I was saying I needed a shovel. Okay. We can craft 14 crafting tables. LOL. Okay. Woo! I may need a chest. Okay, let's get a chest. Chest. And chest. Okay, we're good. And now, cannot craft a sword. I do not need a sword right now. We can get that. Get that. What is this? A bowl? Yes, I think we need a bowl. Okay. A bowl. Jeez. Okay, I'm getting full right now, so. Oh god, we still have more wood. What? Oh my gosh, we have so much wood left. Okay. Craft that. Wow, I just wasted all my wood. Get my wood back. Oh my gosh, guys, my inventory is so full. Oh my gosh. Am I even in crafting mode? Yeah, I'm not in crafting mode. I could have crafted like so many crafting tables. Okay, craft some more stuff. What? We can craft so many swords. Oh my gosh. What? Wooden hoe. I always need shovels, so we're gonna get a lot of shovels and done. Yay. Oh my gosh, my inventory is full with mostly. Okay, so it's mostly filled with weapons and stuff like that. So I'm going to make my house somewhere. And yeah. Yahoo. So I'm gonna live by the villagers cause well. Okay guys, let's get all my materials. Oh my gosh. I sell so much. We do have more sticks. Okay. Get that wood back. What? Okay, we have so much like to do for my house, like so much. So okay, so we have 2 crafting tables and a door. Oh, this will go like inside my house. So oops. So once you go, so this will be one of my doors to test it out. Perfect. Good. Thank goodness I have 2 doors because my house always needs 2 doors. This is why I'm probably not using my weapons yet. Okay. I'm not using my weapons because I don't want to use them up. Guys, I may do a part 3 or a part 2. Well, clearly a part 3 because my stomach was hurting on that one. Okay, so the time limit is 15 minutes. I'm going to break this door. Okay. Perfect, yay. Don't judge me, my house is kind of made out of dirt. This is why I should have went on creative, but today we are surviving. We're not gonna go on creative. Like a pleb. We're not pleb. We are survivor, and we are not pleb. We don't go on creative and then we don't go back on survival. So we can just this is what people do. What I don't like. So people do. So they go on creative and then what they do is just an apple tree. So they go on creative. They get all their materials and then they go back on survival. That's super dumb because I'm trying to get 1 apple out of this tree. So that's super weird because on survival it's harder, but you craft and it's just really cool. Because then your life, well, it's kind of easier. Actually, it's harder, but it's it's really easy for me. Because I don't like creative because, well, if you're making your materials, like, you break them instantly, but on survival it takes a while to break. So say you are on creative, so say I was breaking something on creative, you would just break it like really fast, and you don't even have to do this. It doesn't make those lines. So that's why I don't like creative that much, but I do like survival a lot. So but anyone's opinion can be different. So like someone can like creative, someone can like survival. I don't know you guys' opinion. Tell me in the comment section down below if you like survival or creative the best. And I will be ending this video with a part 2. Bye guys, or part 3. Bye guys.